What's up, family? Tanya here. I'm working out in the garden today and I'm going to harvest some of my Napa cabbages. I grow them in these pots here. These pots got from Dollar Tree. They've done well. And these are about 45 days old. These are Napa cabbages. So isn't that beautiful? And they can grow upright as well. But I like to keep them like this. So a lot of like little stuff from the trees will get into the leaves. So you have to kind of shake that out. Like little kookaburras and whatever. And I got this. This is the best way that I can harvest them. Because they can get really rooted. So I just gather all the leaves like this. I mean, you can twist them, but then also at the base, I just going to cut it off the base. Have all of this. I gotta wash all that off, and the see, this whole thing will come up. They're tough to get out. See, you have the whole intact thing here. Stalk. I like these for cabbages. So if you're going to be a container gardener, you're going to have a lot of containers. Okay, so here's our harvest right now. I'm going to spray them down. I really think I could get another one. Okay, now in a bucket like this, they will get very vertical. These are ready to go. I want to get these. No one has touched these. No pests have gotten on these at all. You see how that beautiful rosette. And they will grow a really tight head, but we're in Georgia. It's getting hot now. So it's time to start getting these harvested. Grab it. Okay, I got the root ball out of that one. Just grab it like that. Cut that head off. Here is a beautiful Napa cabbage that we grew ourselves at home for $1. So that's all I'm gonna harvest today. So now we gotta rinse them off. Now, if I had chickens, I would give them these. A lot of times they don't like, I don't know, some chickens do. And I'm gonna keep these pots for the fall, my fall greens. Let's see if I can get a collard green. Okay, the collards are doing okay. I'll let them go. So today we'll just stick to one subject. We'll just stick to Napas. Okay. This is just those little, these foldable knives you get from Dollar Tree. It was $5. Clean off the dirt. Clean out these layers. Because these were planted under trees, so when the trees like release those little kookaburras and stuff like that, it gets into the layers of the cabbage. So if there's any like little insects, I'm blowing them off now because they're not going in the house. If they are going in the house, they're gonna get boiled. They're gonna get boiled. Okay. Very peaceful morning. Let me spray off this dirt. You see these little things from the trees that can get caught up in there? Just rinse that out. If you don't plant like under a tree, you won't get that. Keep all the good ones. That's a pretty one. I didn't have any plans on filming today, but then when I walked out and I saw that something had been nibbling on my plants, I said, I'm gonna go on and pull them today. And I said, I think, you know, this will be a good time to share it, because I won't be planting cabbages again until fall. Take all these individual leaves, do the same thing. Spray them down. All right, family, thank you so much for tuning in today. Okay, so here is our, and we have more over here. All right, so guys, here is our Napa cabbage harvest. I want to get out the frame. You guys can see the cabbage. Just let it drain. Keep rinsing until it's clean. So I want to thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you got some inspiration and got some ideas on how you can harvest your Napa cabbages. Okay, thank you so much. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. All right, join the home and garden tribe. I want to thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. Got some greens here.